Hi guys, I'm Feri Santoso. In this video, I would like to show you how to make a simple fried rice at home. Here are the ingredients: sausage, green onion, shallot, white onion, 2 eggs, a cup of vegetable oil, sweet soy sauce, pepper, salt, MSG, and rice. Let's start. First, pour a little bit of oil into the wok. When the oil is already hot, crack the eggs carefully. Scramble the egg until it is cooked. Next, fry the sausage. And put on the plate. Then heat all of the shallot. White onion, add the rice when you smell the aroma of onion before. Don't forget to turn down the fire when you add the ingredients, including sweet soy sauce and green onions. Turn up the fire, mix all of the ingredients well. Last, add the flavor exchanger, pepper, salt, MSG, and continue to stir all of them. Now, it is time to serve your delicious fried rice to the plate. Wash your hands before eating your fried rice, guys. Thanks a lot.